Hello, I am Milad Mosavat, a student of CS50 course at Harvard University. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. David J. Mallan for designing this course so that people interested in artificial intelligence and programming can complete this course and receive valid certificates. In this video, I want to present my final project for the CS50p course, which is a special course for Python programming. My project is called FunnyBot. In this project, I have written a program in Python language that receives the air temperature from the user and tells the user what season we are in now and what is the best entertainment in this season. The job of the FunnyBot program is to offer you the best entertainment by checking the air temperature so that you can have the best entertainment in every season and enjoy with your family. By producing this program, we hope to create a great transformation in the tourism in this industry and help people in the world to enjoy the most of the world's entertainment. This program was written in Kish Island in Iran and is the beginning of great events in the tourism industry. This program includes three functions named valid temp. This is valid temp function and weather function. This is weather function and best funny function. This is best funny function. The first function is called valid temp and will have one input. This function will check the input and if number between -10 and 60, it will send the valid statement. Python project.py. Insert 10